there, everyone. Welcome to Wim's Kitchen. I am your girl, Norleen, with another of Jamaica's finest cuisine. So come along with me in the kitchen where I will be doing for you another authentic Jamaican cuisine.
To do this awesome Jamaican meal, I will be using 1 pound red herring. Some places they call it a smoked herring. It's the same thing. It doesn't ackee, or if you're using the canned ackee, a can and a half will do. Some chopped vegetables and herbs and a blend of powdered herbs and peppers. To begin, I've washed and cleaned the ackee and placed it on the stove to cook. While that is happening, I will demonstrate how I clean the red herring. So guys, you wash the salt from the red herring and use the knife to remove the skin from the red herring. If you don't do this, you will get a rubbery texture when your red herring is done. I have also removed the intestine and the central bone. After cleaning, I then cut it in desired size. It's really up to you how you want to cut it, people in your kitchen. Do your do. For some of you, this is such a nostalgic moment. For me, it's with mixed emotion because this was the last meal my mom prepared for me while she was alive. Next, I will chop my seasoning. So I have tomatoes, scotch bonnet pepper, onion, bell pepper, my scallion, and I chop them all nice, crush my garlic. I have a sprig of thyme, but I will show you how I'll use that. So in the pot, in 3 tablespoons of oil, I will add my garlic and onion and add the chopped red herring. Now guys, don't mind, you see I have some of the green peppers in it. Don't mind, it doesn't really matter. While I'm stirring this to allow it to fry and flavor the smoked herring, I will share with you the food for thought. It comes to us from 1 John 5 verse 14, and it says, "This is the confidence we have in approaching God, that if we ask anything according to His will, He hears us." What an awesome promise. But the key to this is to remember according to His will. God is not like a vending machine that we ask for things that we need. He knows what we need and He will act according to His will and purpose for us.
If you're new to my channel, go ahead and press that subscribe button. Here it is. Subscribe to my channel. For more information on other meals that I have prepared, go ahead and press that information icon. It will take you to more interesting Jamaican and Caribbean meals that I have prepared.
Alright guys, so let's get back to the meal that we're preparing. So after stir frying the red herring for about 2 to 3 minutes, I will then add the ackee. I will remove the pepper that I'd cooked the ackee in because we don't want all of that spice in the meal. If you have not subscribed as yet, go ahead and do so now. Follow me on other social media sites at Wim's Kitchen and like my Facebook page at Walking in My Mother's Shoe. So it's time for nice up the pot now, people. And so I've added the bell pepper, the tomatoes, a little bit of thyme, guys. And if you notice, I'm just adding the thyme whole because when it cooks, the leaves will fall off in the pot. I then add my powdered seasoning. So I've added the black pepper, some onion powder, some garlic powder, and some dried herbs and spices, some basil, guys. I'll stir this in and this looks so mouth-wateringly inviting. I will then cover this on low heat to allow all the flavors to be infused in the meal. So guys, after about 3 minutes, I've removed the sprig of thyme, and as I said before, the leaves has fallen off in the meal. I will then add a toops of basil and a toops of oregano, guys, and the meal is all done. I will then turn off the flame and wait for my side dish to be ready. It's some dumplings and potatoes and yam, guys. It's gonna go down in a few minutes. with some orange juice. Guys, I'm sure you've enjoyed the time in the kitchen with me. And so once again, it's another of my mother's favorite from my pot, my kitchen, onto all on our table. I'm sure you're gonna tell somebody about this meal. So go ahead and share my video with your friends.
If you're celebrating a birthday this week, happy birthday to you. If you're celebrating an anniversary or any other extra special milestone in your life, congratulations to you. Remember, leave your comment in the comment section. Share your thoughts about my video or suggest any other Jamaican meals that you'd like to see me prepare. Thank you for staying with me in the kitchen, where I did for you today Jamaican red herring and ackee, Jamaican style. Done.